Peace, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome back to the channel. Oh wait, hold on, my closet is open. Shoot, screw it. How y'all doing? Anyway, we have a package right now that we're gonna go ahead and unbox right here, so make sure you guys stay locked in with me. And I'm pretty excited right now. We got some headphones here. I just need my unboxing knife. Oh, here it is. Just go ahead, open that up, and on the outside it does say earphones right here. Okay, Spunky Pro wireless headphones right here. So let's just go ahead and take a look at these in some more detail. Let's see if we can get this some more light right here. Okay, so we do have the true wireless stereo, stable and comfortable fit, intuitive gesture controls, sweat and weather resistant, voice controls up to 33 feet, stable connection, up to 18 hours with charging case, supports wireless charging case too. So that's pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this in some more detail, but I got my knife right here, so just go ahead and cut this thing right here on the side. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm pretty excited because I think these are going to be really good and really good quality too. It says that it's they're located in China, and they have a customer service in US and Canada too. So let's go ahead and open these up. Okay, so that's actually open. I'm gonna get my wireless charger. I got my wireless charger right here, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see and take these out. Okay, so there's nothing else in there. Put that down. And then right here you can see underneath we have the, what is this? This is a warranty card. So you get a warranty card, which is cool. You also get the user manual, which is definitely sick. This is really big user manual. It opens up like a map. Holy cow. So this is a lot. This is a lot of things to read on here, but it does have gesture control. It does say tap once for answer and end call, and you can hold for 2 seconds to reject call. On the left or right here, tap once for play and pause. Next track, tap once. For previous track, you can tap 3 times on the right ear, and then volume up is tap twice, and volume down is tap 3 times on the left ear. So that's crazy. Okay, let me put this off to the side real quick. I'm gonna take these out. Take that off. Okay, you can see that LED. Let me put this off to the side, and then you can see right here it does say Tronsmart right here, and it has this really cool, really nice texture on the top of it. And when you turn it down on the bottom, you can see it's like a glossy black color. So then you can see when we take these out right here, we're getting extra ear tips right here. So let me just see how many we get. We get about 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 extra tips, plus the ones that come in the earbud. You can see these actually look pretty cool. And you get magnets right there. And you can see this did turn on with my finger on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those did turn on. So let's go ahead and put these down real quick. And I think this is gonna be cool. Let's just open up the case. And whoa, the case turns sideways like a wheel. Like, what? Are you kidding me? Wait, so how do you put that back? And then you just press down and it pops back in. but then they get it. How did I even get that out? Wait, hold on. Oh snap, there's like a press and release button right there. So you press this button right here and it like gives you like let's do that one more time. And then you can like, it's got this wheel for the buds. So you can see the magnets right there. And let's go ahead and put the buds inside of here. Let me see. This is the left one. So I put that on the left side. Is that charging? Wait, hold on. Yeah, that's like, it's not coming out now. So let's put the other one in. And that looks pretty sick. So you can see that. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and test these out with the wireless charging. So let me just, you do get, oh snap, Type-C right here, cable, I forgot to mention. So these are the first earbuds I've ever used before with Type-C right there. So that's actually sick, because I've never used earbuds with Type-C before. So I got my wireless charger right here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put these on it right here. So let me just see something real quick. How would this even work? Because alright, so that's on. And I'm waiting for the, oh snap, it did recognize it. That light came on. Hold on. So it's actually charging it right now, like with that light. So it did recognize the wireless charging right there when with that red light. So that's actually crazy. Okay, so these might be really good. These might be really crazy. I'm gonna pair it to my device right here. Let me unlock it. Let's go to Bluetooth real quick. Let me go Bluetooth. And then let's take out the Tronsmarts. So you press this button right here, and then just, you see you got left ear on the left side, right ear on the right side. So let's put this one in, and it said pairing. Now let's put this one in on the right side, and this one said power on, so this must be the host. Now they're both connected when I took out the right one, which is the parent, and this is the I don't know, the slave, I guess. And then you could just pop that right back in. So let's go ahead and search for these things. Here it is. It does say right here, Tronsmart Spunky Pro. Boom. All right, so these are, it says connected on my left ear. Now it says 80% that I do have on these things, so that's cool. So now we're gonna go into Spotify, and I'm just gonna play like anything, so I could just test out the sound quality. But this is Jadakiss and Fabulous Soul Food. Let me just press play, and the volume is actually right here. Hold on, halfway. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, let you know if these are worth it. These are halfway up right now. And I like how they fit in my ear. I'll get good noise cancellation. Let me just turn this one a little bit. Alright, so that has good noise cancellation. I could barely hear my voice right now. It definitely has good bass. Let me turn that down a little bit. Test out the lows. Okay, that's good. Let's go all the way up. Let me test out the sensors. These sound really good. The bass sounds good. 1, 2. Alright, so when you tap 3 times on the left ear, it decreases the volume. And when you tap it twice, it increases the volume. So now let's try the right ear. The bass sounds good. 1, 2. Two times moves the song forward. And 3 times moves it back. So these definitely are really cool because they have complete controls and wireless charging. Now let's go to YouTube and test out the latency on these things. So we're gonna test out this one real quick because this opens up really quickly, and then we'll just wrap up the video. But let me see, play. Yeah, the sound matches the, okay, that was dope. Yeah, the sound is accurate to like what I'm doing. Alright, so that's definitely sick. But this one back in and see if it keeps playing. Yeah, it's charging and this one's still playing, and if I take it out, it says power on. Wow, that's, and then they both connect automatically. Let me try that with the left ear. And it works, same deal. So they work flawlessly in unison together. You could use these things together or just one at a time. But the wirelessly feature is definitely going to be pretty cool as well. But definitely think these are worth the money. But make sure you guys stay locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. If you found this video helpful in any way, hit the like button and show your appreciation. Also hit the bell icon and show your support and appreciation as well. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night and happy holidays. Peace.